My name is Rachel Greer. I'm from Rowlett, Texas, and my major is biology. So I've played the harp since 4th grade. My elementary school had an orchestra, and so I was lucky enough to get to start, and so I've played it for about 11 years. Playing the harp here at Harding has been really rewarding because I've gotten to play with a bunch of different groups. I've played with the band, the orchestra, and the choir, and so it's just kind of interesting to just go wherever they have a part for me. When I was talking to Dr. Chance, of course, he was really interested in having a harp because that's a cool opportunity for orchestra and band groups when there is an actual part for us. Since he hadn't really worked with one before, there was a little bit of question of like, okay, where are we going to store this? Like, how many rehearsals am I going to be in? And so that takes some extra communication behind the scenes. I don't think there's been a harp player here at Harding, at least in a while. I mean, a challenge with the harp is that it's really hard to move, and so I actually have to get a crew of some of the band members who move equipment to help carry it up the stairs. Yeah, it's quite a journey to get it up on stage. My plans with the harp are really just as a hobby. I like to play it. If I know I have a hard class or something that I'm stressed out about, it like gets my mind off of my classes and it's just a nice break. A lot of people think that sciencey people might only have that one side of them, but this definitely gives me an opportunity to use both sides of my brain and have more of that scientific, theoretical side and also the more expressive, artsy side.